If you're looking for a job, whether you're in school or not, if you want an edge, then stop scrolling, because we're going to talk about something that can give you a tremendous advantage when applying for a job. Obviously, we're talking about soft skills or durable skills. Now, there's a Forbes Business Magazine article, and the title of that article is 84% of workforce insists job candidates must demonstrate soft skills. And here's what it says. It says that 92% of companies report that human capabilities or soft skills matter as much or more than hard skills in today's business world. So let's really quickly differentiate between soft and hard skills. Soft skills, again, are things like flexibility, communication, collaboration, being able to think on your feet, to be flexible, those type of things, to be determined. Whereas hard skills are things you can learn simply by observing, reading, or doing, right? So these are academic or hard skills, things like a programming language, how to run or use a certain type of machine, how to make something by putting together different components, different chemicals. Those are all hard skills. So again, going back to our quote, 92% of companies report that human capabilities or soft skills matter as much or more than hard skills in today's business world. And here's why. As technology rapidly changes, so does the shift for a variety of skill sets in the workplace. Social, emotional, and communicative skills especially have grown in demand. But why is that? What's really driving it? Now, I'll tell you one thing. Employers have been asking for soft skills or durable skills for the last 15, 20 years. But it's especially important for people who are looking for work to develop soft skills or durable skills now. Why is that? Well, what is that technology that was mentioned in that last quote? That article continues. Hiring managers have come to appreciate these soft skills as essential tools for success in today's job market because they support 1. Remote working, and 2. Offset the pervasiveness of artificial intelligence in the workplace. So what is the technology they're talking about? It is the prevalence and the introduction of AI in the workplace. And it's because of that developing durable skills, soft skills, human skills is even more important. The article continues. The study concludes that advancement in AI and other technologies are one of the driving forces behind changing demands for skills. And the findings reveal that employers anticipate this to increase the need for soft skills, such as empathy, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, which AI is currently unable to match. Did you catch that? As AI becomes more prevalent in the workplace, having human skills is going to be even more important. It's going to make you stand out. It's going to make you highly valuable. Think about it. In the medical field, AI can help diagnose different illnesses, different symptoms, but do you really want to have an email come to your phone or to your tablet and some AI person explain to you your results and tell you that you have an illness or disease that could be terminal? Or do you think it would be much better coming from a human who can sit down, talk to you face to face, and explain to you what they're going to try to do and what the risks are, but give you a certain amount of comfort and human touch? Again, AI can do some of the work, but the human elements that AI cannot do are going to become even more important. Here's the bottom line. The article says, more specifically, 84% of employees and managers believe new employees must possess soft skills and demonstrate them in the hiring process. And that's why we put out these videos and why we have our professional durable skills training program. If you want an edge, if you want to develop those non-academic skills, again, you can't just read about innovation and all of a sudden you're innovative. You have to learn how to develop your creativity, your curiosity, your imagination, and then combine that with problem solving and technical skills to be innovative. So if you want to develop those skills, if you want that edge, then we encourage you not just to look at these videos, but also to sign up for a training course. And hopefully we'll see you in one of those professional training programs.